Welcome back to the Danny Lowe Show. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the project charter. So the project charter is essentially the contract that we end up having with our customers. In order to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to put it right here down on our file, the Excel that I'm about to share with you guys, so you guys can go ahead and really have an idea. Again, this is the contract that we're going to be using when we're working on a project. There are other components that we might add to the project charter, such as the stakeholders that we'll be working with, the defects, as well as any additional opportunities, such as we're going to get a return of investment or we're going to save money. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to tackle the four main criteria to the project charter, and that includes the business case, the problem statement, the goal statement, as well as the scope. First thing that we need to know is what is the name of the project and who's our sponsor. Those are the two key components when we're working on a project. Now, regarding the business case, I try to make it easier for you guys to read through here, but really the business case itself is really to give us in a quick snapshot of what is happening and why are we working on this project moving forward in order to solve for solutions. So as you can see in the example here, we say, when customer requests are met and are at the highest, our efficiencies and cycle times are greatly improved and operating capacity decreases, leading to satisfying and returning customers. That is our business case. This is in the scenario that we are an e-commerce company and we want our customers to return back. But why are we doing this project, right? So what's causing this problem? And this is really where we need to get into the numbers to really identify what is it that we're going to go ahead and get and improve. And so the problem statement is what we need to do is identify what is it that we're doing that's not meeting our customers' expectations. And the example that I give you guys here is, according to recent reports, customer requests have risen, which is good. We want more business. But customer dissatisfaction has fell 15% in the last decade, leading to 6.3% of the customers not returning. So that is a problem. Even though we have more customers, their dissatisfaction is decreasing. And really our goal is to understand why. And so the goal statement, as I walked into it over here, and I know this is very lengthy, but I did try to make it so you guys can see it, is the goal is for us to really have a target that we're aiming for to improve. So as you can see here, it's not only decreasing at 6.3% of customer dissatisfaction, but also retaining customers. And the key component is by when. So when I filmed this is in 2024, we're giving ourselves a year to get to that target. And last but not least is the project scope. This is really the backbone of what we're going after. You have to be aware that a lot of the times you might get scope creep. People want to put a lot of things into what you're trying to define, but in order to follow the Lean and Six Sigma methodology in our project charter, we really need to stay loyal to our scope. And you can see here, it really draws those boundaries that we're working with our team to really say, hey, this is exactly what I'm going to focus my attention on moving forward. This is what I'll be working on. Anything outside of that either becomes another project or we work on it at some other time. And so the example that I give you here, review the end-to-end customer service request workflows to reduce inefficiencies and streamline the process for e-commerce requests. So that is our lecture for today, or our topic for today here at the Danny Lowe Show. I hope you enjoyed our time together. I hope this helps you as well in the future. So have a wonderful day, and thank you for everything, y'all.